All right. Well, hello and welcome to the Market Monitor review. Um, yeah, I was gonna make one last night, but just didn't have enough time. But might as well just do it this morning. See, the market went down a little bit and then came back up, finding support here at the quarterly moving average. But let's dig into what the Market Monitor said yesterday. Oh, let me clean this up. Yeah. So it's looking like yeah, let's take a look. So nothing really changed. I mean, the only thing that really changed was um, this 20% bearish number, and we got a bounce in higher highs, and we got a bounce in 5% moves, and the number of stocks that are um, outside their Bollinger Bands is going lower. So less lower lows. Now the momentum is still high, but I think actually today with this bounce, this is going to be a negative number, and today's the day you're supposed to step in and add to this market. Yeah, the TD buy is still at 500, so I mean, actually, if it bottomed here, that would be a pretty bullish thing. But typically this thing has to get worse in order for us to get a bounce. Yeah, so we're at 30. It's oversold. Things typically bounce around this area, 30. Yeah, and just kind of hovering 1.5% below the 21 day. That's basically it. So, I still think it's looking like a bounce is due, but perhaps because the TD buy is not so severe, it's going to be a prolonged thing, maybe March. If we go back, yeah, still think something like this. Only thing with this one is this thing made a pretty substantial higher high with good extension and then came down, right? This thing has kind of been going sideways for a long time. So, more so, there was one place back here, I believe. No, I think it was like, it was in 2017 or something, or even something around here. If I can look at the data back there, where something like this right here, and then maybe we go into something like that. But it's not that much momentum here, so maybe it's it's almost like, no, it's like a mini this, and we're right here, Anyways, I don't want this video to be too long. No, here it is. Yeah, it was something like this where we go sideways. I mean, this is a little bit worse, but this is what I was kind of thinking. It had a big candle here. It's gone nowhere for a month or two, and it comes and tests the quarterly moving average. Yeah. I go back to 17. Let me see if I even have that. May 17. Let's check it out. Yeah, see, I don't even have that data really. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, that's the thought. All right, cool.